For weeks, Macomb County has been paying 4 employees in the clerk's office to stay home because of what it calls a toxic work environment. A judge agreed with that assessment yesterday in a judgment against clerk Karen Spranger for committing an unfair labor practice. Jason Colthorpe is live at the clerk's office tonight. Jason, exactly what does this mean?
Well, it means, Kim, that these 4 employees, 3 of them, by the way, are supervisors here at the clerk's office. It means those 4 employees could soon be back on the job. And if the clerk doesn't welcome them back, she could face serious consequences. The complaint was filed by UAW Local 412 in March, but the original incident goes back to January 12th, right after Spranger took office. It was alleged she questioned an employee about where her loyalties would lie if grievances had to be filed. Yesterday, a judge ruled that Spranger's remarks were threatening and coercive and in violation of the Public Employment Relations Act. Today, Spranger declined to go on camera, but told me she didn't have a reaction because she didn't know about the ruling yet. A ruling that also comes with an order to post this notice around the office stating she will not interfere, coerce, or restrain employees from doing their jobs. Mark Hackle's office telling me today the ruling allows them to bring 4 employees on paid administrative leave back. According to Hackle's office, they were removed because the working environment in Spranger's office had become too hostile to continue. It's worth noting, by the way, that employees are very reluctant to talk to us on camera about this because they fear retribution by the clerk. Now, I did talk to one of those employees who is on administrative leave, and that employee told me they believe that Spranger is under the impression she fired these employees and doesn't think she's going to welcome them back. In fact, it thinks when it comes to that, there could be another confrontation. But again, the county reiterated if that happens, if she doesn't comply with this cease and desist, she could be found in contempt of court. Kim?
So, Jason, what's the status of Spranger's lawsuit, the one against the county?
Yeah, it's the one she filed, one against the county. It's more the action is on the countersuit part, which is the county filing challenging her residency. And the clock basically is now started on her possible removal from office if she loses. We're into the 60-day period of discovery for both legal sides. But I did talk to Spranger today about that and asked her, and she said she's not worried about that. She said she did not lie on that affidavit and expects to win that. Kim?
Okay. Continue to keep us posted, Jason. Thank you.